Hello folks, welcome back. Today we're going to look at Insertion Sort, which is a much more efficient way of sorting lists than bubble sorts. So here I've got the title at the top and I've got this list which is on the VLE ready and waiting for you, sitting here pasted in already. So let's begin. Now firstly for this again we have to start by making a loop. So for size in range, and this time we want to go from 1, not 0, so 1 to the length of my list. So this is going to work through my entire list, and every single number it will then compare. So how does this work? Well, firstly we make a key. So a key is my list, and it wants to go to the current size. So it starts at 1, then goes to 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and so on and so forth. So it all works. And then we want to say another variable, a random variable, so we can have a totally random name and call it J. And J equals size minus 1. So it's always the one below it. And then as it goes round, it's going to compare the number to the numbers below it, as we did in Insertion Sort. And by the way guys, if you're not following this at all or totally lost, please watch the Harvard CS50 video on Insertion Sort, which shows you the principles before trying to do this. Otherwise you will get horrendously lost, I promise. It's only 5 minutes and it's pretty cool, so have a look. Now we need a second loop, a while loop. So we say while the key is smaller than my list square brackets J, and don't forget guys, if it's bigger it's going to be in front of it, if it's smaller it's going to go down even further. Then we're going to move them around. So how do we do that? Well, my list, can't type there, what have I been drinking? My list J plus 1 equals my list and then a J. Okay, so we move it down 1 and then we decrease J by 1. So J minus equals 1. Remember, plus equals increases a number by 1, minus equals decreases a number by 1. And then we need to reset the key. So my list, and we say J plus 1 equals the key. There we are. Simples. And now we've done it. That's all the algorithm we need to do. But one last thing for you. We want to see the output. Make sure it's actually sorted. So here we just type in print and my list at the bottom outside of the loops. So at the end it will show us what we've done. So here we are, my O2 vid1 is there, so let's press play, and without further ado, ta-da! There is the list you see up here. It's now down here, but now it is perfectly sorted. Okay, so I'll leave you to have a look at the video links and the workbook.